everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're embracing those dreamy boho vibes as we create a stunning layered anklet set featuring beautiful turquoise beads. Whether you're dressing up for a festival, heading to the beach, or just want to add some flair to your everyday look, this anklet is the perfect accessory. Join me for a fun DIY session where I'll walk you through each step, showing you how to layer and style these gorgeous pieces to express your unique style. Let's get started and craft something beautiful together. Ready to step up your style? Join me as we create a breathtaking boho layered anklet set that's perfect for summer vibes. Love all things boho? Watch as we transform simple materials into a stunning layered anklet featuring gorgeous turquoise beads. Want to add a pop of color to your summer outfits? Let's dive into crafting a chic layered anklet set with vibrant turquoise beads. Looking for the perfect accessory to embrace your free spirit? Join me today to make a beautiful boho anklet set that's sure to turn heads. Unleash your creativity. In today's video, I'll show you how to craft a layered anklet that combines the beauty of turquoise with Bohemian style. Get ready to elevate your accessory game. I'll guide you through creating a stunning boho layered anklet set that's both fun and fashionable. Want to DIY your way to Bohemian elegance? Let's create a layered anklet set with striking turquoise beads that will complement any outfit. Join me for a fun DIY experience. We're making a gorgeous boho layered anklet set with turquoise beads that's perfect for any occasion. Embrace your inner boho goddess. Let's dive into crafting a stunning layered anklet set adorned with beautiful turquoise beads. Transform your accessory collection. Today, we're creating a playful boho anklet set that perfectly showcases those gorgeous turquoise hues. Want to add a touch of Bohemian flair to your wardrobe? Join me as we make a chic layered anklet set with eye-catching turquoise beads. Ready to shine? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a layered anklet that highlights the beauty of turquoise and celebrates your unique style. Say goodbye to boring accessories. Let's craft a beautiful boho layered anklet set with bold turquoise beads that bring your style to life. Looking for the ultimate summer statement piece? Join me as we create a stunning layered anklet with turquoise beads that scream vacation vibes. Unlock your creativity. In this video, we're making a gorgeous boho layered anklet set with turquoise that you can style for any occasion. Capture the essence of summer. Let's dive into creating a layered anklet set that features vibrant turquoise beads, perfect for beach days and beyond. Flowy maxi dress. Choose a light, flowing maxi dress with a floral or tribal print. Perfect for a whimsical boho look that complements the anklet's free-spirited style. Bohemian jumpsuit. A relaxed fit patterned jumpsuit with wide legs. Effortlessly chic, allowing the anklet to be a statement piece. Layered tops and denim jacket. A simple tank top layered with a crochet or kimono-style cardigan, paired with skinny jeans. Casual and layered, perfect for a relaxed boho aesthetic. Skirt and chambray shirt. A flowy printed skirt paired with a tied chambray shirt. A playful mix that allows the anklet to take center stage. Tassel sweater and bell-bottoms. A cozy tassel sweater with chic bell-bottom jeans. Adds a retro touch that works beautifully with boho jewelry. Athleisure look. A stylish sports bra with matching leggings and a lightweight open front hoodie. Comfortable and sporty, perfect for an active boho lifestyle. Linen overalls and basic tee. Cool linen overalls over a simple white tee, rolled up at the ankles. Casual yet trendy, letting your anklet shine. Seasonal layers. For cooler weather, a long cardigan over a fitted dress or top. Cozy and chic, perfect for layering and showcasing the anklet. Beach cover-up. A lightweight, colorful beach cover-up over a swimsuit. Ideal for showcasing the anklet at beach outings or pool parties.